Welcome back to the Daily Show with Spiral Strategies, giving you the latest crypto updates, so let's get started. Today is a mixed day with standout names like FTM, ARB, 𝗙𝗀𝗏𝗏 up around 10% for the day. Standout names that are down for the day, 𝗙𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗪𝗏 being down, so quite a mixed day in the markets in general. Heading on over to our Bitcoin shorts versus longs, we see the market here on CoinGlass is showing us quite bearish sentiment overall at around 31%. We've got 18% bullish, 15% very bullish, 15% very bearish, and 20% on the neutral side. And going into our Bitcoin long versus shorts ratios, we do see that over the past month or so we've seen more shorts than longs in the month here, where we've only seen a couple of days here where the longs positions were overpowering the shorts on those time frames there. Now heading on into our exchanges, we see it's fairly mixed across the board in the past 24 hours, with Bitcoin being the main, Binance being the main one there, with 50% on either side, longs versus shorts. And with the news for today, we've got GBTC, which is a major spot Bitcoin ETF, bleeding out 443 million, showing us that we're seeing a lot of outflows in the Bitcoin ETFs, thus affecting the underlying Bitcoin markets, where we'll go into the charts showing you that price movement. So we've got, like this article is saying here, the massive outflows with around $643 million from that Bitcoin Grayscale Trust. And you can see here, massive outflows on the Bitcoin spot ETF, which was announced sometime today. Now let's get into the charts as well. Now on Monday, I did speculate that on our lower time frame we did have this kind of head and shoulders pattern playing out, and that seems to be playing out to the T. And we've now broken with clean market structure over here on the right side of the shoulder of our head and shoulder patterns here. We're seeing that kind of play out, where we've now got support here, brief support at this 62,500 level, and we are now continuing to break down. And you can see on the volume here as well, bears are starting to take control. Not too much green in our volume, and we had our MACD roll over pretty much, and that was on the 12th here. There was a divergence that played out with the top coming in at around 73,000 here. We saw that kind of play out, and now we're looking to consolidate hopefully at around 51,000 is our next support level, but we're probably going to see some sideways movement, maybe recapturing our 64,500 level, retesting that, and then if we break down again below this kind of range, we're going to see some more red days, and this will probably keep happening into the halving, which is set for around April 21. So keep an eye out on Bitcoin, but at the moment quite red across the board. And quickly going back into our crypto bubbles here for the week as well, you can see it's quite red for the past week in the whole space. Due to that Bitcoin outflow, it's kind of affecting all markets and all coins all across the board, with a few standout names still going up like Jupiter, Solana, FTM, and 0x. Alright, now heading back into the charts here, let's take a quick look at Ethereum as well. Same kind of pattern almost, kind of head and shouldery pattern, but again here saw massive resistance here on our $3,600 level, broke down, and now we're kind of looking to go ahead to retrace and test our $2,600 level here. And let's take a quick look at our volume profile. Now you can see here we might get a retest here back at 3,500, but at the moment we've definitely rolled over. All the indicators rolling over. Volume is increasing. The bear volume is definitely increasing, and our long-term 200 simple moving average here rolling over. So looking to retrace this 200 moving average to then come down and retest 2,500 here as well. And going quickly into Solana as well. On our daily time frame, we've come up massive moves here, 1,600%, but we've hit a key resistance level here at our 78.6 retracement, Fibonacci retracement here. So we had a massive reaction, giving us quite a big range. We're in a massive trading range here now, so probably looking to come back to test the $135 level. And let's go into our lower time frames with our market structure break here, and looking to come down to retest this $150 area in the short term. So keep an eye out on Solana as well, because it's giving us some levels to work with. Pullbacks are definitely buying opportunities here, so definitely keep an eye out. Well, if you're looking to get in, you probably want to sprinkle some bids in at 140, with some more bids at around 78, which is another key level that we could potentially come back to retrace. Let's have a look at the 200 moving average here. Now, yeah, looking very likely for a retest at around 120, 135. So keep an eye out on Solana as well if you're interested in that name. And that would be it for today, guys. If you guys have any suggestions, feel free to drop them down below in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.